One sunny afternoon, a boy named Rohan was walking home from school. On the sidewalk, he saw something lying near a bench. As he came closer, he realized it was a wallet. He picked it up and looked around, but there was no one nearby. Curious, he opened the wallet and found money, a few cards, and a driver's license with a man's name and address on it. Rohan knew some children might keep the money, but he remembered what his parents and teacher always said: honesty is the best policy. He went straight to his mother and told her about the wallet. Together, they looked at the address on the ID and went to return it. The owner of the wallet, Sharma, was very surprised and happy. "I didn't even realize I had dropped it," he said gratefully. He praised Rohan for his honesty and offered him a reward. Rohan smiled and politely refused the money. "I only did what was right," he said. Sharma was so touched by Rohan's honesty that he wrote a letter to his school, telling them about Rohan's good deed. A few days later, Rohan was called on stage during assembly and given a certificate for his honesty. Rohan felt proud, not because of the praise, but because he did the right thing. Moral of the story: honesty is the best policy. Doing the right thing brings real happiness and respect. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.